Hello everyone and good morning and good morning. Yes. Now see, today I will be telling you about customizing the desktop background. Yes, how do you customize the desktop background? See, the background over here is something different and now I want to change this background. This is called the background. So what do I do? The first step is that right click on a blank area. So I right click on the blank area. So this is my blank area. So as I go to personalize, then I go to personalize, yes, and then from there I choose desktop background. Yes, desktop background. So what I will be taking this desktop background, I click on this option and I choose any of the pictures I want. So according to you, which picture you want, you just click that picture and then you will find that you make save changes and then that will be saved. You see, that will be saved in the background. And even like if I go over here and click over here also, so here also I can change. See, the changes are coming over here. So please wait, my changes are coming. So you can understand very well from this point of view that I can change according to my wish. Yes. So the desktop has been changed. Okay. Now see how nice it looks, the desktop. Yes. Very good. Now you know how to change the desktop. So you have to save the changes, then only it will work. Now we come to the changing the screensaver. How you make the screensaver? Well, let me see whether we have something in the screensaver. So the right click on the blank area. So this is my blank area. Right click on the blank area, and after clicking on the blank area, I go to the screen, first personalize, and then from the personalize there is a screensaver option. Yes, none is there, so I have not given any screensaver. So I click on that, and now I can change this. Okay, I can do 3D text, or I can do bubbles. Okay, I can do bubbles. So what will happen? The bubbles will come. You see over here, the bubbles will come. So let us try out this one. 1 minute. After we have to wait for 1 minute, there within that 1 minute I will talk with you and you will listen to me, because 1 minute has to be given so that the bubbles come in. Okay, I do okay, and after that, once I do the OP, I close it over here. So now I will just tell you the changing the screensaver. How do I do? Till then you have to count like 1 minute. So within that minute the bubbles will come. So let us start. Now to change the screensaver, we follow the steps. What are the steps? Yes, firstly, right click on the blank area of the desktop. So we right click on that blank, we have already done that, and click on the personalize option. So we have done that also. Okay, and once we have done that personalize option, what happens? We click on the screensaver option. So if it is none, you will know that no screensaver has been given, and then we go to the screensaver option, and we will do screensaver settings. Dialog box appears. So once the screensaver settings comes, see, 1 minute has come and the bubbles you can see. So I was just not touching my mouse, I was just speaking it. Now you can see how nice bubbles are coming. So this is what the screensaver. So I previewed, the bubbles came, and I have to wait. The waiting box, I have give 1 minute, and within that 1 minute, see, bubbles have come, and I've given OK, and my screensaver is there. So what is a screensaver? Like, screensaver is the image. This is the image, okay, or animation that appears on the monitor when the computer is kept idle for some time. I have kept talking with you for 1 minute, so I kept the machine idle, so it came. Thank you. This is all I had explained. Hope it is clear. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We have seen. Very good.